Today we're going to replace a sump pump motor. Or is it a pump? It's the motor. No, it's not the motor. It's a sump pump. It's the pump. It's the pump that's in the sump. A sump pump. Why is it called a sump pump? The word sump means pit. You'll usually find them in a basement. So how do I know this isn't working? Well, the tester says the outlet's working, but it ain't pumping water. So let's take it apart. Unplug it. Well, that was easy. What do we have here? 115 volt, 1/3 horsepower, and it's about that size. And it fits down there in that area. And this part unscrews. So I need something that's threaded on the top. And we gotta go for the height here, about 10 inches tall. There's a guy playing the piano here. Look there's the drawing. This is how a sump pump works. You know, you got the drain field here, okay? And then everything that comes in goes into the sump. And then when it's time to drain out, it goes up the hose and then, you know, out the side, just like on mine. And there's the electrical for it. This is a battery backup. And this one looks like it has 2 sump pumps in case your electricity goes out. But now we turn to the massive selection of sump pumps, and I gotta pick one now. Here's the big stuff: 1 horsepower, 3/4 horsepower, and then it goes down to half. So my sump pump was 1/3 horsepower. And look, mine's the cheapest. So this is what we're gonna get. And look that's where the opening is. The opening on mine was up here. So I'm gonna have to get a little bit of a PVC extension and maybe a fitting. Coupling. All right, so there's the new one. There's the output on the bottom. Here's the old one with the output on the top. So we've got a little bit of a height difference. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the old PVC pipe there. We're gonna screw it in, and I'll stick it in the water, and we'll see what the difference is. Forgot to tell you about the check valve. So this is the check valve. It's pretty simple. It just has a flap on the inside that goes one way, this way. You don't want it to go the other way. Put some primer on there, some glue. Put the other thing. What a mess. Yeah. Okay, so we've got that union on there. One little piece from here to there. More primer. Glue. Always keep it neat. Put this rubber thing back on there. All right, so everything's all set up. There's the sump pump, there's the extension, there's a little union I bought. Here is the check valve, and then this goes out to the out of doors. I just have to plug it in. So if you can see that down there, there's a float on the bottom of the sump pump, and once the water level rises up, it hits this switch and sucks all the water out. And then, you know, once it goes back down, it shuts it off. So that's how that works. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.